What's up guys, today I will show you how you can set anything as your ringtone on your iPhone, iPad or iPod Touch. So, let's begin. But before we begin, I want to thank you for 69 subscribers, guys. I'm so happy. So, thank you guys a lot. So, let's begin. So the first thing you need to do is to have your ringtone here. I have this Better Call Saul and Nokia ringtone, or what I think it's really. And you also need to download a copy of iMazing. So go to imazing.com. I will link it into the description. And download a copy of it. It's free. You don't need to pay for it. So actually you need to pay for it, but
you didn't have to cut me off like that we were nothing. I don't even need your love, but you treat me like a stranger and I feel so loved.
Free version, because that's enough for us. But and download it and drag the iMazing to the applications folder, but since I already have iMazing, I'm not going to download it. And you can see a free download, but since I have it, I'm not going to download it. So the next thing you need to do is to open up iTunes, iMazing. Okay. So and you also need to have your IPA as an MP3 file. So once you have that, you can proceed, and I will be back when this has downloading. Okay, and yes, connect your iPhone. Again, I'm going to say it again. Connect your iPhone to your computer, and if a notification pops up with trust this computer, marks MacBook Air for me, just tap on trust. And okay, yes, we don't need to pay for it. So as you can see, I need to activate it again, so that's perfect. So I can show you it's really free. And go to ringtones, select your iPhone first and go to ringtones. And as you can see, I have lots of ringtones already. So just go to import your IPA file. So it should be maybe this one. No. Yes, it's this one. Just select it. And it should begin to copy. Okay, it finished. So we're now in settings, and just go to sounds and haptics and turn the ringtone up. Yes, I had this one as a ringtone. As you can see, a lot of ones. So select this one. You can see it's perfect. So let's just test it out. So turn off sleep mode. I have my iPhone right here, and go to phone and call myself There we go. FaceTime. As you can see, it's working perfectly. As you can see, it's working perfectly. So now it's finished. You're ready to go. So this was it for today's video, guys. Make sure you like and subscribe to my channel if you enjoyed this video. And if you found this video helpful, maybe share it to a friend so they can try this too. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments below, and peace out.